Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by checking prerequisites. Make sure your Nest supports Wi-Fi and has power. Once done, grab your Wi-Fi SSID and password and keep your phone connected to that same network. Now press the thermostat ring to wake it, choose Settings, then Network to start. You're initiating a direct device connection. This reduces interference and speeds pairing. Make sure your router is within 1020 ft of the thermostat for best signal. Proceed when the thermostat shows available networks. Once the SSID list appears, you select your network and then authenticate. This is where typos most often break the process, so use the Show Password option on your phone or type slowly. If you don't see your network, make sure the router broadcasts on 4 GHz since some Nest models struggle with 5 GHz. After entering the password, the thermostat will attempt to join and obtain an IP address. Wait for confirmation. If it stalls, choose Forget and Retry, which clears cached errors and forces a fresh DHCP request. After the thermostat shows connected, verify by checking Settings right arrow network for an IP address. This confirms successful DHCP. Once connected, allow any firmware updates to complete because they fix stability and security issues. Your schedules remain intact. If you hit problems, reboot the router first, then remove power from the thermostat for 30 seconds and try again. This clears transient network and cache errors. If reconnecting still fails, temporarily disable MAC filtering or add the Nest MAC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.